guys, it's me, it's me, Dr677 here. I'm gonna do a review. I haven't done one for a while, so. But here, I got this box. In this box, I got some Sonic screwdrivers. Now, first thing I'm gonna review is these. These are the build your own sets, and these are out of the packaging because they didn't come in any packaging whatsoever. Actually, they came in a little plastic thing to hold them in place in this box, but that was it. So, we've got our claw here. Got our Sonic screwdriver bits. Now let's build them all up as they originally were, so I'm going to pause this video to show you. Oh, the emojis! Show you them. Right, back in a second for you. Right, I'm back, and this is the 11th Doctor's Sonic screwdriver, as we all know. Let's put this button right here, which is really hard to press. I've had many problems with this. It's pushing down so hard, it's really hard to press down. See, it's nice, good. It's actually apparently the same size as the ordinary 11th Doctor Sonic, but just not at standard. And this is the one with the car in, because the set only comes with one car. We'll put that one down here, and then we've got two Transtemporal Sonics, which I think I put together correctly. Of course, you got the blue one here and the green steampunk-like one here. So this one looks like one of those ear things that Doctor's looking ear of. And this one's just like a very cool steampunk one. Now, as you know, I've been making my own series, so you already know what my Sonic looks like, but you've never really seen it up close. So I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna show you how to make it, which is gonna be hard, so let me take the car off for this. I don't have a tripod, I need a tripod. I always use my handmade one right here. Just put the camera around, settles things. I guess I could sort of show you from like here point of view. No, that's really unstable. I know. Let's try and get a good view. Oh, box is falling. I know. Let me put the box the right way. So let's show you how I make it. It's really easy to like detach and take apart. So, take the car out is you twist it and pull it. Pull that out, you've got your car. So, let me get all the bits I need. Oh yeah, and this. Now, let's put it together, shall we? Oh, it's falling off, I do. So, you get this on, like that. Top one come off. And if you want it to work, just twist them on, basically. Find a bit of trouble with the top. Go on, jeez. Ah. And let's show you what it actually looks like. Ah. Here it is. Here's what it looks like. They're very fancy, just... That's not on right. Sorry. I don't use. Oh my god. I just can't understand. Right, it's back on properly. Look at it, this little button. Everything I want, as you can see, I've got a nice little scanner. There we go, look, it's focused now. Look at this, right good. Nice light and easy to do. Well, I'm gonna make one which I really shouldn't show you because it's one that I'm planning to do for my next generation. So it's really good actually, I quite like it. Looks good, it fits well, nice and tight. Here it is. Now let me just put the car in it and I'll show you what it proper looks like. You know, I really shouldn't. It's one that I usually just use when I'm not recording. I really like it, I think it fits really well. So let's have a look. Look at that, look at the scanner. There you go. That all lights up properly. And look at it, it's proper good. Really like it. I like the cool pattern on it, and I like how steampunk bit, and it's like made up of bits from the 11th Sonic screwdriver. Look, to actually get it on, you need to flick that up, slot it over. As you can see, the little button in there. And just like, the speaker wheel's actually there, so let's definitely use, shall we? Ooh, I know that's loud, isn't it? Yeah, pretty good Sonic. Of course, we all know what my first Sonic that got destroyed looks like, but here's it in complete bits. It's made out of spare parts. It never had any electric car in it, and it looked rather stupid. I hate this head. Look how stupid it looks. Stupid head. Oh yeah. Let's go on with reviewing the next Sonic, shall we? So I'll just put these out of the way. Show you the next Sonic. That's an actual proper Sonic thing, and it's by Character Options, and it's this. Oh, look at that. I've already opened it in that, but I kept the packaging. Look at that. It's by Character Options. Doctor Who. It actually says right here, the 12th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. It has electronic sounds and light effects. By Character Options. There's like a scan code there, so if you want to pause the video and scan that, you can. And it has a write-up that if you want to read it, you can pause the video now. Then just some legal guff. A little BBC logo there. Some more legal guff. Let's look at it. Look, it has green and blue light modes. Look at that. There's some pictures. Another picture there. Nice easy lid that can easily pop off. And then this just all slides out to feel this way. Just push the bottom and a bit hard with one hand. Ah! Come out! Okay, sorry. And we're back. So, as you can see, this nice, decently weighted Sonic screwdriver. Got the detail on it. This is one of the best Sonics, like character options, ever did. Look, there's no legal guff on it anywhere. What nice thing here. How you activate it? Did you see this? Push it down. It lights up. Want to stop it from doing that? Just let it go. Push it up. Does that. Cause secret sounds. Push it down twice. Then you get the chase lights. Push it up twice. You get the pulsing lights. There's no red setting though, so if you wanted the red setting, you'd have to mod it yourself. And if you ever want to change the batteries and it's like, oh no, it's not working, what you do is, sorry, let me get my stand, my trusty stand. Look, the box is there. Oh no, look at that box. Whoa, it's falling. Oh dear. So, what you do is, you see this? Might be a bit stiff. You twist it that way and pull. And you get a bunch of legal guff here. Yeah, and see those screws, undo those screws you get there. What you do is push it back. If it seems stiff, don't worry, just pull it that way. So don't be afraid that you're going to break it, because you're not. And there you go, you've got it. Sonic, and let's look at the detail. Look at that detail. How good it looks. Where are you blurring? Look at that. You've got the little grub screw there. Nice gold there. It's not as shiny as like metal, but it's really good. I love this Sonic. You can see the thing here with the big bit with the thing cut in it, which activates it. Get this square bit here, and so you get this gold bit here. Get down to here, see these bits that poke out. Pretty good. Get to these bits that look like those things on those locks with numbers on it. Get down to this bit here. It doesn't stand up very well on cardboard or anything. Let's just get to the hardware. Can it stand up? No, it can't, but it's a good thing to have. It's a very good replica, and I thank Character Options for making this excellent replica. It's a very good replica and I enjoy playing with it. Might have a few scratches on it from when I've been like this and I've been like that and dropped it, which I've done with my own Sonic screwdriver that I made. And yeah, come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if possible. Bye.